Tired of using different AI tools? Then try Notebook LM. This is gold standard for productivity. And don't forget that this is free of cost. Here you can create a notebook. Here you can add the sources for your task. Here you can add text, YouTube video links, data from your drive, and even you can search from web by just typing the topic. These are the features you can access, like audio overview, video overview, mind map, infographics, data table, even more. I have already made a notebook on academic stress. Here you can see that I have added the 38 sources. You can ask questions to the AI model regarding the topic, but you can only add up to 50 sources. You can see the preview of what you have made in the right side. Here I have already made a mind map and one audio and video. A cool thing is that you can make a podcast like audio and even a debate audio between two AI hosts. You can even set language and length of the audio even. Isn't this cool? Rest you can see in the video, and it's very easy to use, that you don't even need to be explained. These are the functions of Notebook LM.
Exam season. We've all been there, right? It can feel like a total pressure cooker. That intense feeling of stress is incredibly common. But here's the thing. It's not some big, scary monster you can't control. It is absolutely manageable. And today, we're going to break down the playbook for taming that stress.
I mean, you know that feeling, don't you? The racing heart, the scrambled thoughts, that sense that your whole future is riding on this one thing. So let's just start with a big question. Why does it feel so overwhelming? Well, guess what? It's not just in your head. There's some real science behind why your body goes into freakout mode. So what you're probably feeling, it actually has a name. It's called test anxiety. It's basically when the stress gets so intense that it stops being a motivator and, well, it just gets in your way. It's that awful feeling of dread that can make your brain just shut down. All right, so here's our game plan for today. We're going to cover 5 key areas. First, we'll get into the anatomy of exam stress. Then, we'll talk about mastering your mindset. After that, we'll build an anti-stress routine. Then, how to calm down in a pinch. And finally, finding your support system. Okay, first up, the anatomy of exam stress. Let's figure out what's actually happening in your brain and your body when that pre-exam panic starts to set in. So, think about it. Your brain sees a big exam and thinks, whoa, this is a threat. And it flips a switch on this ancient survival system we all have, the fight or flight response. Suddenly, your body gets flooded with hormones. And the big one we need to talk about is cortisol. You've probably heard of it. It's the main stress hormone. And get this, it's not just a feeling. It's something you can literally measure. Check out this data from a study of medical students. On exam day, you can see the reported stress and anxiety levels shot up. No surprise there, right? But here's the kicker. Look at their physical cortisol levels. They nearly doubled. That's your body going into overdrive for real. So if this is you, listen up. You are definitely not alone, not even close. Research shows that a huge chunk of students, we're talking 25 to 40%, go through this exact same thing. The main takeaway here, this is a totally normal, shared experience.
This is the brief on the science and management of stress. We all get stressed out, right? But understanding how it actually sabotages your neurobiology is the crucial first step to fighting back with proven physical strategies and modern tech tools. First, let's look at the biology of panic. So, your brain triggers 2 main alarms, an instant fight-or-flight response and a slower system that completely floods your body with the stress hormone cortisol. When unmanaged, decreased blood flow forces your brain right into pure survival mode. And you know what that causes? Decision fatigue. Your cognitive capacity gets so depleted that even simple daily choices feel totally overwhelming.
Isn't it great, especially for students? Note, it may make mistakes, so check all the details again. Thank you.